So hi guys, this is my slime. It's a mint slime. Look, you can, yeah. And that's Fresca slime. Let's see yours. Look, ours is color. Look at the color of your slime when it's in the video. It's like different color. So we have the cubes there. Mine. Try to close mine. I have cube slime with these balls. Yeah, and there it's perfect to put it together. And if it gets sticky, you put water on it. I have no clue what I'm doing. Fresca has no clue what I'm doing. Look at the color of my slime. When I make a video, it's blue, like dark, like sky blue. Oh, there's the orange. So the real color of my slime, guys, is actually gray, and it's just colored because I'm doing a video. And I put water on because it's getting sticky. Look, the original color of our slime is actually gray. It just turned to a blue because I am doing a video. So yeah. Oh my god.
Oh my god, this is sticky.
Put water on it.
Yeah.
Look at the color. It's blue. Because if I put flash on it, it gets blue. But the original color of our slime is actually green. We mix 4 colors of this. And we have actually 2. And we have another 2 there.
This is a slime that we made by ourselves. That's not the original slime.
Yeah.
We tried to make the original slime, but it's not like.
It doesn't work, so we just made it a little bit like from the selling they do in the school. So I just made that. Actually, I'm the one who made this, and she made her own. We actually put gray on it, and we have our little cups here. There. There she has. And my cube is very slime also. There's slime on it, but balls at the back. Let's show yours, Fresca. This is her slime actually, but it's not really that slime, so I'm gonna put a little bit of there, just joking. So she didn't put slime on it, so it doesn't get slimy. So yeah, my slime.
My slime, I'll first put water on it, like this. Then I'll do it like this. Then after I turn it back and put water. Then I do it like
I'm gonna
this.
post this on YouTube.
Then I'll squeeze it like this. See?
And you squeeze it like this. And put water on it. Yeah.
Oh, you remove inside.
We're actually making a mess here, but I don't care. I'm the only one who's cleaning.
You put your water!
I'll be back. I'll be back. I'll be back. You hold this. You hold it like this. Yeah, like that. Look at the color.
This is my slime, and look at the color change. And because of the light, it's turned into blue. So I'll put water first.
So guys, I'm back. Hi, this is Prisca. That's my Nigerian friend actually. So yeah, and this is our slime video.
Some people
very
think
nice.
I'm from Jamaica.
Look, we made this by ourselves. We're trying to do the original, but it failed. So we might made this and nothing. Really, it's like many times, 1,000 times they're sneezing.
I got the magic.
Look, it's gray color in real life, but it turned to blue.
Like mine too.
Yeah, gray to blue, but it's just in the video. So we're gonna put water on here so it doesn't get sticky in case. So we put the slime here.
And when we put water on the table, it's usually become more softer and whitey.
Yeah,
Then
it's actually the gray, but it turns to blue because I put the flash. So you put the water on it. Oh my god, I put too much.
again,
Fresca, I'm so stupid.
let me do it for you.
Hey, no, no, no. You have your own slime. Sorry, that was the tissue. Hi, say hi, tissue. Hi. Just joking, guys. I was just kidding. Oh my god, we're making a mint slime. We just made it earlier, right, Fresca?
Yep.
And then it actually turned into gray mint. I'm gonna post this on YouTube though. First, I'm gonna post this in my mom's channel. Dang it! It's blurred now. Sorry for that. I turned it to blurred though. Slime texture. Ooh, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Oh! Pero yan, ang gani may color, oh. Gray.
For the slime, my color was
Oh my god.
ash and pink, but she said we should exchange. No, sorry. Join together.
Yeah, mine is actually blue. What's that? Aquamarine color and pink. But I actually mixed this, and we made a decision to mix it so it turns to mint slime.
And at the end, when we're done with the slime, we're gonna put the cube and the bait.
Yeah.
But
Stay
now,
tuned in the last video because this will be so much nice. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. There's my video. Making slime with my best friend. Oh shoot. That was mistake though.
this is video.
What? What? I used your video, yes. Yeah, don't judge me. I'm gonna post this on my channel. I post a lot of channels, but those just...
The cup here is filled with water.
Yeah, we put water on ours, so in case it gets
I'm
sticky, we just put water.
And I'm gonna put it right here.
So we actually have this. Yeah, I'm gonna put a little here, so it remembers. Just gonna mix it all here. Mix your cubes. Mix your cubes. She's just judging. Hey, mix your cubes. Yeah.
I'm not done.
So we actually made a big mess here. Oh shoot. That was a mistake. Can you please hold it? Gone wrong. Yeah, I'm just gonna mix it. This will be fine. Doesn't matter to me. It doesn't matter on me. Shoot. Oop. It's very nice, comfy. Don't forget to subscribe, like my channel, and comment. Make sure to turn on the notifications. And see you tomorrow.